They talking about my tea bag. Okay? It's okay, doesn't matter. So, hello, so please subscribe and please press the button below so you will get notified if I post a new video.
Don't forget to click the bell button. Message below. Oh.
So as you can see, supposedly we're going to the what is that, Lilian? Supposedly we're going to the rail of Lilian. What is the name of the rail? The rail of the railless? Supposedly we were going to where?
Rail corridor.
Rail corridor. But unfortunately, it is closed down because they are doing something like a trapal there, and they're doing something fixing the road. Okay, we're gonna go jogging. We decided to go jogging finally. So, but why am I only the one who jogging? And the two I start going jogging. So I'm so very kapoy my hand. I have to stop already. Pose. Girls, Torko say we're going to summit to Solo to the Montaña.
You have pain. Just now you forgot what you have very headache. Isang the pharmacy. No.
Pamilya ni Princess.
Ang hirit ko doon, hindi naman. Natsak pa nga.
Ang hirit naman bakurog.
Paano abi ki inspired do balakat ko do gang. Bago-bagoon lang.
Ala.
Wala may gina-carry pa sa tiyan ni Gaw.
Hindi ko.
Tulok dito eh.
Hindi ka nagloko.
O sige na.
Wow, get the move. No, uda.
Go. Go. Straight mo ang tail mo ah. Tubang di. Straight ang tail. Straight lang. Straight. Nan. Pose lang. Go. Careful your legs. Oop. Calm down. Hindi mo pag-itouch sa ground ang tiil mo.
Bakal tanaw.
Amo na diya oh.
Bakal saan? Ito gamit na lang. Kapatibot kong tago.
Tugabusong ka lang ano pa mga apit.
Uy. Wah. Safety first. Fox, no gay ka. Kaya wala kami pala niya gahon nga tatlo. Dili na lang naman iupok. Fasting ni sa ginatawag lang tawa si Torx. Yung mga bago-bagoon na sila ya.
Intact pa rin ang beauty ha.
Naka-make up pa na. Naka-lipstick pa na. Yan. Princess, anong nangyayari sa'yo? Ba't nakapaka na?
Mabigat ang aking sapatos na nabili. Hindi ko kaya pupunta sa taas ng langit na ganito yung mabigat.
Sabi na San Pedro, ang bigat ng shoes mo. This shoes is not allowed here.
So kailangan natin mag-barefooted.
It's not capable to use for hiking.
Can you not go up or stay here?
Ay, wala. Hindi na po namba. Okay lang yung hanap ka.